This is the NEXTORCH C61 multi-use flashlight with bi-directional lighting. Yeah, it's bi.
Bi-curious.
It's an LED flashlight with a maximum output of 3,500 lumens and a runtime of 2 hours, beam distance of 420 meters. It has a battery that is rechargeable via USB-C, and it has a magnetic base, and you know what? It feels kind of like a little lightsaber when you hold it in your hands. It does come with this steel wire loss prevention rope. It's got a carabiner on one end and another end loops around your flashlight to prevent you from dropping it or losing it. Kind of a nice addition. You'll notice here that you've actually got 2 power switches, a big one and a little one. The big one is your main power switch. It's going to turn your flashlight on. You hold it down. It's got stepless dimming. That's right. You just hold it down and it goes all the way down. You hold it up, it goes all the way back up. You don't have to click away at it. But when you click this middle one, check this out. The little guy does a special feature. Boop! It lights up the little ring at the end. So you've got a little lantern feature when you set it down. That is super fun. I really like that additional feature here. If you feel like you want to wave in an airplane, you now have a way to do it. So you got the front spotlight, and then you got the tiny little floodlight, and the floodlight actually ramps up the same way that the other one does. You just hold down the little button and look at it, gets brighter. You hold that down, look at the output that you got coming off the sides. That's a really cool feature that I haven't seen in a lot of flashlights.
Right on. Very cool. Very, very cool.
You hold the button down and it ramps back down to low level. I really dig this little floodlight on the side. That's awesome. So this light does feature a lockout mode. You use the tiny power button up front. You give it a double tap, and now you see the little red light comes on. That means it is locked out. You cannot activate the light while it is locked out. Very handy. You give it another double tap to unlock it, and now the light works as normal. You want to jump right into turbo mode, you give it a double tap. Boom! Look at how bright that is. Jesus H. God. Time for some beam shots. You turn this guy on, you hold it down, and it ramps up with the stepless dimming. It goes very bright. You press the button again, and it ramps all the way down with that stepless dimming. This is the low mode. Very effective light. One click shuts it off. One click turns on the side floodlight. So the same thing if you want to hold this down, and it ramps all the way up to bright. And I mean, look at the light output that thing is putting out. Definitely bright enough to read a map to. You click it again and hold it, and it ramps all the way down to low mode. One click shuts it off. Double tap for turbo. Look at how bright that is. Good Lord God. Good God. You're looking at a length of 165 millimeters and a width of 35 millimeters with a diameter of 28.5 millimeters. It does come with a USB-C recharging cable so you can recharge your flashlight. And something else kind of cool is this little doohickey. Guess what this is? This is a little tactical finger hook that you can install. They are nice enough to include this little Allen wrench as well. Let's see if it's enough to get the job done without any assistance from my additional tools. Ooh, daddy likey a lot. Yeah, this is kind of funky fresh. It does give you something to grab onto here. Gives you a little something you could punch with if you really felt it necessary. Of course, it does give you a way to flippity flip your flashlight around your finger for a little fidget factor. That's kind of fun. I'm going to go ahead and keep this finger ring installed because I like it a lot. But first impressions of this flashlight are very good. It feels fantastic when you grab it. The light is easy to operate with your thumb. It's got 2 switches so you can get that floodlight going pretty quickly. You don't have to worry about clicking it 1 time, 3 times, 100 times. You just turn it on, hold down the button, and it gets very, very bright. You hold up the button and the stepless dimming. You hold it again and it goes all the way down to dim. It doesn't get much simpler. The other thing I like is a double click to lock it out. Double click to get it back on so you can keep it in a bag without worrying about it setting anything on fire. Guys, I think this is a pretty dope flashlight. Installing the steel wire loss prevention rope is also very, very simple. It comes with this part here at the bottom that attaches like a camera lanyard, so you can just unclip this, set that aside for a second, and then you just feed this through the hole down here at the end. It goes right through, and then you just want to loop it around here. Give it a quick snug tie. You clip this back in. Once you have this installed at the end, you got yourself a steel wire loss prevention rope. It's going to prevent you from dropping or losing your flashlight. I don't know if I am actually going to use this, but I think somebody will love this.
Yes, somebody will love this.
It's the NEXTORCH C61 multi-use flashlight with bidirectional lighting. I got to tell you guys, I think this is a badass little flashlight. Looking forward to incorporating this into my carry. When it comes to EDC flashlights, just remember to think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.
Right on. Very cool. Very, very cool. That's cool.